F-16s in the sky, a silent aircraft, and a split second. Well, you're watching Times XP. My name is Dhriti Asri, and ladies and gentlemen, that is the scene Venezuela wants the world to imagine tonight. Not in a war zone, not in a declared conflict, but over its own airspace. And the message from Caracas is very simple: you crossed the line. So here's what Venezuela's military is claiming that actually happened. Early warning radar system suddenly lit up. An unknown aircraft had entered Venezuela's airspace. No call sign, no transponder message, no identity, just silence. It was spotted near the eastern region of Bolivar state. That's right, a plane that wasn't supposed to be there. And in the world of military defenses, an unidentified aircraft is never just a mistake, it is a threat. Venezuelan Air Force rushed to verify. They contacted the aviation authorities, the country's main flight information center. They checked every official flight plan, every registered route, every approved aircraft. The answer? Nothing. No scheduled plane matched the radar signal. No one had permission to be in that particular airspace, and that's when the alarm level changed. According to Venezuelan officials, the unidentified aircraft was marked as hostile, and then the description comes in. A white twin-engine aircraft with a very thin green strip along the body, no visible registration number, no marking, no explanation. Here, military sources say that it looked like a Cessna 310, a small but powerful American-made plane. The kind often used for surveillance, the kind that travel long distances, the kind that does not just get lost. Venezuela says that its fighter jets were scrambled. Air forces moved into position, engines roaring, missiles ready, eyes locked on the target. In the air, there was no second chances, only seconds to decide: warning or destruction. And this is where reality and mystery now blurs. Venezuela has not released full visual proof. The US has not officially confirmed the aircraft, and the space between those two statements, it is now filled with suspicion, fear, and global tension. Now for Venezuela, the message is political as much as it is military. Do not test our borders. Do not spy on our skies. Do not treat our nation as open airspace. This comes at a time when Maduro's government is already accusing the US of plotting, spying, preparing to intervene. So every unidentified plane is not just a plane for them. It is seen as a provocation, a warning, a rehearsal for something much, much bigger. But here is the bigger question, ladies and gentlemen. Was it really American? Because there's no proof. Was it a rogue aircraft, a drug route plane, a fighter jet of any influential guy, or maybe a covert mission? Or is Venezuela sending a signal to Washington and to the rest of the world? Basically, they are saying we are watching, and next time we may not intercept. One silent aircraft, one tense decision, and now the entire region is on the edge.